Good morning. Welcome, everybody. We are back in Phoenix, Arizona. We returned from lovely McMinnville, Oregon, where we had our last class around the fire pit.
Campfire.
Yeah, it was fun. We made, what did we make that? We made the s'mores.
Did caprese
Oh yeah,
burgers.
caprese burgers. How could I forget? Those were amazing,
gosh.
right?
Yeah, we got the meat from the farmer's market in town and like fresh mozzarella and basil, and it was so good. And then I made s'mores with bacon.
Yeah, that was good. And of course, don't forget the squirrel tail cocktail.
Crazy squirrel tail.
That was pretty darn good. Okay, so we're back in Phoenix, and we've got a wonderful recipe that you made for me twice while we were in McMinnville.
Because you loved it so much.
It was so good, so easy, and I know it's hotter than hell out there, you guys, and we are all sick of the summer. This is a great light dish that you can make in virtually no time at all. We're going to show you how fast you can make this.
Today we have a creamy Tuscan salmon, and it's a really popular recipe on Pinterest. That's where I found it, and I've adapted it. I've added a couple more ingredients to it, and kind of made it my own. And I made it for him in Oregon, and
I loved it.
he was blown away, which was
And I've already
really
seen
funny.
a couple of our clients found the recipe on our website, which you can go to the website. It's all right there on our recipes page.
Mm-hmm.
And I've already got 2 texts from clients last night that made it last night,
That's awesome.
and they were like blown away. So,
Yeah. So-
no pressure.
We're gonna
You guys got
share it.
this. Okay, we got a little olive oil heating up here in the pan. I've got a little pasta water here. We are going to make some amazing, it's hatch green chili season. So we found some hatch green chili fettuccine, okay? A little New Mexico combined with a little Italy. How's that? Okay, so we'll give that, what, about 5 minutes each side?
Yeah.
Okay, and meanwhile, we've got some garlic chopped over here that we're gonna put in. Got a little butter, we got 2 tablespoons of butter. Got some Parmesan for at the end, a little parsley for the end.
Mm-hmm.
Over here we have a 1/4 cup of vegetable broth with a 1/4 cup of white wine and 1 3/4 cups of heavy cream. Gonna put in a little Dijon mustard.
Oh yeah, this
Some-
is a great star. This is just sun-dried tomatoes in oil. Oh, this is not quite what you were supposed to get.
Oh, what did I get?
This is like a tomato pesto sauce. What the heck?
Oh well, it
This
looks
is-
tasty. Oh, that'll work.
Yeah, it'll work. All you need are regular sun-dried tomatoes in the oil.
Actually, this might be really good.
Yeah, because this now
It's a
has
pesto with pine nuts.
pine nuts.
No, I think I might have made a mistake.
You're expanding on the original recipe.
It'll be great. So I'm gonna chop up some spinach. For me personally, whenever I can add spinach to something, I like to do that. And this recipe calls for 3 cups, which, you know, you can give or take however much you want.
So we go. It's just a lot of fun.
Yeah, I
so.
mean, we'd be doing this anyway, so
Yep.
we might as well do it for you guys too and have some extra fun. And we have this fabulous kitchen that we want to be using.
And again, we'll call out to some of our sponsors. GE Monogram gave us all the beautiful appliances here. And my good friend Dave Perrin at Dave's Custom Millwork. Marsha at Waterworks. We love you. She was in the house on Friday night. We had a little happy hour. It was a lot of fun. Stock and Granite, Tile and Granite. So many I could go on forever. What about Cyber Group? With all the cool lighting
Yeah.
and AV. Pretty neat stuff.
Okay,
And
I think
we'll
this
get
is
them all in
like
the
5
house.
minutes.
I think it's pretty close, don't you?
Yeah.
Give it a flip.
Give it a flip, and I will reseason.
It looks good. So just season with a little salt and pepper, nothing fancy.
Well, this is so simple. We are just chilling.
So what we're gonna do is we're gonna basically saute these salmon fillets, and then once they're kind of cooked partially through, about 5 minutes each side, we'll put them on this plate to rest. We'll cover them with foil, keep them warm, and then the residue from the salmon, we'll add the garlic, the butter. We'll kind of start creating a little sauce with that. Then we'll add the white wine, the broth, and then ultimately the cream. That'll make a nice broth, and then we'll add in the mustard, and now we're gonna add in the tomato pesto. So a whole new twist. And then we'll add the salmon back in. The salmon will finish cooking in the sauce. That's basically it. We'll add the spinach. The spinach will wilt down, and it'll just give it this nice color and texture. And then, of course, we're going to put the whole thing over this amazing hatch green chili fettuccine. So
Hope,
Water's just about
Hope
there.
from Oregon says, you two are adorable.
Oh, hi Hope. Sorry we missed you in Oregon, but we know we got you on the schedule for next time we come up. And that will probably be sooner than you think because we had so much fun there. So
Yeah, we loved it.
we love it.
Mmm.
Very nice. Okay, let's cover this up.
That. Practically.
Okay, we can start putting on the butter.
Okay.
Melt the butter before we put that garlic in. I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit because I'd rather not burn the butter and burn the garlic.
And the garlic.
So we're going to just...
So
it's
2
pretty hot.
tablespoons. Just let it melt.
The stone yard is joined.
Okay, stone yard. I'm glad we're making this, man. I've been craving this dish again. This is
It's
so good.
really
I love
good.
salmon.
I mean, yeah, it's creamy, so a bit fattening, but otherwise, it's pretty healthy.
Fattening, I mean, come on.
Yeah.
We're gonna go up the mountain tomorrow morning. We'll burn this baby right off.
I'm gonna go swimming
Okay,
after
put
this.
some garlic in there. I can turn this back up a little bit.
I wouldn't bring it as much. I would. Do halfway.
Halfway, okay.
Go down. Yeah. Medium high
Okay,
heat.
so let me move that around.
See, this is already caramelizing. So if you want to do onions, you would be doing them
Okay,
right now
you
at this point.
Better get a girl. Yeah, that looks good. I think I like this twist.
Yeah.
I didn't do that on purpose, by the way.
Smells
It
so
wasn't.
good in here.
Does it smell good?
Yes.
We
Awesome.
got the tomatoes, the tomato pesto going. Now we're gonna add the vegetable broth and the white wine.
Veggie broth. So I reduced the veggie broth so we can have the wine. If you don't want wine, just double the veggie broth.
Okay, move this around a little bit. This does smell amazing.
It is.
I mean, I think you could use this sauce for lots of things, to be honest with you.
Oh,
You could do
yeah.
chicken. You
And
could
I
do
say that in the
fish.
recipe, you can definitely substitute chicken and it'd be just as fabulous.
Right.
All right, after this.
I think you guys are doing it the right way. So you're
do
gonna do the mustard and your cream.
So reduce down slightly, reduce heat to low. Spoonful of Dijon. And then the cream. So we're reducing that down so the cream doesn't get all gross. Just kind of stir that in. And cream time.
Yeah, add that cream. Check out this color. You gotta come see this, Josh.
Yeah,
This
heat
is
up
so
here.
pretty.
Heat up here.
That is beautiful. I'm gonna go a little warmer now, huh?
No, it says keep it on low. Low simmer.
There you go.
Yum.
Mm-hmm.
So we let this simmer for just a little bit. How's the pasta?
It's coming. It's doing good.
How long will that take?
It's gonna be done in about 2 minutes.
Perfect.
All right.
Okay, so I'm gonna add the spinach.
And that was what, about 3.5 cups, it said?
3 cups.
3 cups, okay.
That
That's
looks
beautiful.
like a lot, so that's why we let it simmer for a little bit.
And that spinach will cook way down.
Yeah, it really does.
Look at that color. Man, it's just so pretty.
Yum.
I just want to jump in there and swim.
Another thing you could do instead of tomatoes, or in addition to tomatoes, you could do like Kalamata olives. That would be really good too.
I can even do capers.
So-
Capers would be good.
Like you can reduce the amount of tomatoes, add some olives.
Some mushrooms. I mean, you can go wild with
Yeah,
this recipe.
that's why I keep saying like
This
if you
sauce
don't
is
want
like-
wine, if you don't want salmon, it's easy to alter.
You can do cod. I mean, you can do everything.
So we want to finish off the salmon, cook a little extra.
Cook it all the way. This way it cooks all the way through.
I like to leave it for about 5 more minutes, then it really absorbs all the juices and reheats. And then in 5 minutes, I'll turn it off, let it sit a couple more minutes, get all the dishes ready. Well, I guess I'll pour myself a glass of wine now.
There you go. It's 10:30. It's about time, right? Okay, we got
In your
some
world.
beautiful linguine.
Not in my world, but I'll pour some anyway. Oh yeah, that looks good. I don't know about this whole hatch chili flavor with my Tuscan salmon, but
It'll be good. It's gonna be really good. Just a little olive oil in there.
put some
Toss that
parsley
around.
in there too.
We'll top everything with that parsley.
Do you
Okay.
have- So by the time this recipe's done, you'll also pretty much be done cleaning it.
I think a lot of people discovered how important their home is and how much they were neglecting it. Isabel and I are about ready to tear out our kitchen at our house and redo it. And we're getting so many requests from people that want to redo their kitchen, redo their offices, redo their family room for the kids. And I think everyone finally woke up to the fact of how important their home is. Everyone's got these great cars, they go here, they go there, they go travel, they come home and they just sleep. And then I think it was the wake-up call. And
Yeah.
what I would
It's a
say,
wake-up call in a lot of areas of life.
yeah, exactly. But what I'll say is once people realize how their home will change their life in terms of how they feel, how they wake up, how they cook, how they sleep, anything else you want to do in your house, that's up to you. But the home is going to really take on a whole new meaning, I think, and we're seeing that. Housing starts and housing demand is up 24%. Housing supply is down 24%. So put those two numbers together right now, and you can't build these houses fast enough. So we're very excited. I wish architecture was as fast as cooking, but it's not. And that's why I like cooking, because I can get some satisfaction. Let's put a little Parmesan on. Looks
Put
nice.
as much sauce as you want. I want
Yeah, sauce
a
it up.
lot. I'm not on a diet.
Let's do this. Why don't you get me a little wipe? We get those spots.
Spots are beautiful.
There's that. I think that's ready. There we go, guys. Not bad, huh? Enjoy. Everyone have a great week ahead. We'll see you in another month, if not sooner. Try to sneak one in. But stay tuned for our next one with Isabel making her hatch green chili butternut squash enchiladas. Actually, red chili. See, I did mess it up that time. Okay, love you all. Thanks again for joining us.
Thank you.
Ciao.
Have a great weekend.
#ArcaChef.